Hi, in this second video on the building of the narrow gauge layout, we make a start on the scenery at the back of the layout. Because there are no model shops in the area and sourcing materials can be difficult, I tend to use local materials wherever possible. So in this case, the hills themselves are constructed from offcuts of foam packaging, and they are then covered with bandages which are bought from the local pharmacy, and these are then coated with plaster of Paris. I find the plaster of Paris is light, quick drying and very suitable for this use, and it's also used for my Woodland Scenics moulds for making rock faces. So now let's take a look at the layout and see how the build develops. We start by cutting 2 and 4mm ply to shape in order to form the framework and the contours for the hillside. The tunnel mouths are from the Knock narrow gauge range, which have been trimmed down to a suitable size to fit my layout. The curves are very sharp on this narrow gauge layout, so it is critical to get the sighting of the tunnel mouth correct. So to ensure this, I had previously marked out the position of the tunnel mouth on the baseboard. We continue now building up the hillside contours with plywood. And then we make a start trimming the foam blocks to shape, which will form the hillside. Having previously been painted inside, the tunnel mouth is now glued into place. And then final clearance is checked with the largest vehicle that will run on the line to ensure that everything works okay. And now we build up the rest of the scenery with foam offcuts ready for the next stage. Which is to provide a covering of bandages over the hillside to provide texture and something for the plaster to soak into. Then a plaster of Paris mix is painted over the framework of bandages. This will set hard and keep everything in place, ready for further modelling work to continue. And finally, the whole thing is given a coating with an earth texture paint, which will provide a base for the scatter materials and vegetation that are to follow. So that's it for now, more to follow when everything is set and dry.